All right, so good afternoon, and let's discuss one more important topic from electromagnetic induction. And this is the topic where we're trying to club some, mathematical models. For example, we have learned that the energy, which is stored, the energy, which gets stored in an inductor. And let's say, because we represent, this particular thing actually, is represented as inductor. Actually, we can also say this is a solenoid, okay? So this is your solenoid. So the energy stored in an inductor, which is nothing but a solenoid, okay? Oblique, inductor is half Li square, okay? Now, we know this, that if you are making some, if you are trying to send some current, maybe this is a DC source and time varying, very difficult to get, but let's assume. And a current is building, across the inductance or the solenoid. The energy which gets stored, is basically the magnetic energy, right? So this is your magnetic energy which gets stored in the inductor. Now, the point being made is that the inductance of a solenoid is given by, assume the medium is vacuum, is mu naught n square A by L. So you can see this is the length of the solenoid, this is area, this is number of turns, and this is air. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the value of inductance in this formula and make it half mu naught, because I'm substituting L, which is this now, n square A by L multiplied by I square, okay? So this is your energy stored in a solenoid. So this expression, we were able to calculate successfully or derive, so to say, is because we knew the concept of the work done or the energy stored in an inductor is half Li square, and then the inductance of a solenoid is given, by this expression. You combine these two, which means you substitute the value of L in the work done, and you get the answer as the magnetic energy that gets stored in a solenoid in terms of the current, number of turns, area, permeability of the medium, and the length. So I hope this helps you. Sometimes you get numericals where you have to, calculate the energy stored in a solenoid. So please use the concept of inductance of a solenoid and the energy stored in an inductor. A solenoid is nothing but an inductor. Thank you very much.